Hello everybody, I'm in Baranovichi. It's like 5th of September and I'm in an animal area. Place where they have a park, you know, you pay to get in, and a bunch of animals, buffalo and goats and all kinds of different types of sheep and swans and things like that. This for example, it says bird's nest up there. I don't know if you can read it with the sunlight and all that. But it's a nice area. They got fields and you know, a lot of trees in the area. So let's go and take a look around, see if I'll try to get some of the better pictures for you. Swan Lake. As you know, swans can be nasty critters. Oh, there's a deer over there. I don't know if you can see that. Big deer. Well, there's no hunters around here. Oh, it stopped. It's looking at me. Getting that deer on the headlights sort of a look. See if I can get the camera down there. Too bad I can't get closer. Look like some kind of gerbils or something. Black gerbils. Hey! Who knows? Birch trees. These kind of trees are associated with Russia. Probably the national tree of Russia. They have them a lot in Belarus as well. So that's a nice foresty area. I think they call it the animal park, Baranovichi, but it's more than just an animal park. You know, it's like an amusement park, and it's. I was expecting this half over here to be for children, but it's more than just for children. It's you spend definitely a whole day here. So I came a little bit later, but if you take your time, you know, it's very nice. Very good for families, and a lot of eating places, bathrooms all over the place, so you don't have to worry about wetting your pants or something. So it's pretty nice. So it's worth a visit. This is a gray heron. It decided it didn't like getting filmed. There's some monkeys here too, huh? Ostrich, look at the size of these birds here. Look at, there's somebody down here. Got some bread. Somebody gave you some hard bread, huh? They had civets over there. Those wild animal from the cat family that has been known to eat coffee beans. Well, coffee cherries, and then not the beans. They had bats. What is this? Probably can't see through the glass here. A reflection in the glass. Sorry about that. Well, you're just a little. You're just a little guy. Ellen, come on. That's a camera.
Look who's the baby coming behind. You don't see the baby.
Mm-hmm.
No, next baby. Did you see second baby?
Boy, now that's a big bird. Probably 4 feet high. Wow, how many hawks are in there? Barn owl, 2 of them. Hey! What are you? Some kind of a monkey? Or kind of a cross. Somebody feed you there? Hey! Hey! It's actually quite a good area for kids. Lots of little castles all over the place. It's actually a big area too. It's not just a couple little things. What is this? Night World. Allowed to feed our food. Okay, you can feed these animals. It's good that a lot of this stuff is written in English. More raccoons. Let's see if we can zoom in on these fellas. Hey guys! Oh, I guess they don't want to wake up. That's not for you to lick.
Of course, you are one. Guys, it's enough for you. It's enough for you. Wait. Oi, somebody poop. Wait. I'm scared.
This is nothing to eat. I don't have anything. This is a camera, dummy. Oh, here comes your wife. Don't pick my camera. This is not anything to eat. You're gonna break it. You too. You can break it too. I gotta keep this away from you. A lot of animals. You got there's even buffalo here somewhere. I haven't got that far yet. Oh wow! Speaking of the, not the devil, you got some buffalo. There's a lot of buffalo in Belarus, mostly in near the city of Brest. Not in. We're in the Brest region. Baranovichi is in the Brest Oblast, which is like state, but you know, most of them are. I think they're wild ones. They let them stay wild and. That's where the rastas come from. They get it from deer. You're a rasta deer, aren't you? No, you can't eat this. You want to eat my camera? What about your wife there? Huh? The wife didn't get anything.
I know, she wants some.
You want some food?
Come.
Oh, she's too skittish.
She's too scared. Come. Duke, take a picture. She's coming.
There you go. Now you got some bravery, huh? Sounds like somebody's having fun in there.